welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated wash routine. So lately I've been really loving the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and it does my hair wonders, especially when like I need a really good wash. So right now I had my hair into like a slick back ponytail. It hasn't been like this since I washed it the last time, but it's just like my hair is just really itchy, so I feel like going in with like a good line of products would be good for my hair. So I have the shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then put in the treatment. I love this treatment. I tried this one time in the shower and it was so nice because like this product is like really thick. Like as you can see, it's not even like moving. The deep conditioner is really thick, so I really like it. What I've been trying to do lately also is like warming up my deep conditioners, but it works, but like it's not this, I don't know how to explain it. But anyways, let's just get right into this video. Once I do put in the deep conditioner and I wash it out, I'll show you guys the rest of the products that I'm going to use to go ahead with this wash day. And yeah, so before last night, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wash my hair today or maybe whatever, but I just went ahead and put some olive oil. My hair's been loving olive oil. I can't even speak today, but my hair's been loving olive oil since I've dyed it, and so I've just been going in with olive oil before my wash day. So like the night before my wash day, I'll just go ahead and put that in my hair. And then I did put like this I don't know what it's called, thing for your ends of your hair. I put that in as well just because my ends been feeling really brutal. I don't know if it's because like the weather is like really humid outside lately, and yeah, my hair's just really dry. So I just want to go in with some nice moisturizing products today and see how that works out. And yeah, my hair feels really nice now that like I put the olive oil in my hair. But like I know as the day goes on and I'm outside in the hot sun, my hair is going to get really dried. So let's just go ahead in this wash day and I'll get back to you guys when I put the shampoo in my hair. I love the way that this conditioner makes my hair feel. It's so lovely. I'm gonna detangle my hair really quick. And I got this bamboo brush off of Amazon. I will link it down below. I love the way it makes my hair feel. It detangles amazing. It's all red because obviously my hair, but I love it. Like, whew, when I first used it, I was like, okay, goodbye Denman brush, but obviously I still use my Denman brush, but like it's amazing in my hair. Like look at that, it's amazing. It makes detangling my hair so easy. It makes wash day go by so fast. Like, oh my goodness. I stopped using my Denver brush after I realized how amazing this detangles my hair. Literally. Now I want to use my Denver brush for styling, like putting my hair in sleek ponytails. Yeah. This brush is amazing. Definitely all the products that I'm going to be using are definitely going to be linked down below. So if you need any, just go to the description box because it will be there. Like, look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. Can't nobody tell me my hair ain't detangled. With my deep conditioner, I like to go in sections just so I make sure that I'm getting it all in there thoroughly. And this way I don't use as much of my deep conditioner. Also, if you guys have any good suggestions about what's this called, heated caps, let me know because I've been looking for one for like probably a year now, to be honest with you, but I haven't found like a good one that I've heard good reviews about. So if you do have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below and I would surely go and buy one because I need one, because this ain't doing it for me. This is really not, like, it's just a cap and I literally have to leave my hair in it for probably like an hour and 15 minutes just to get like a really good deep conditioner. And what I usually do is, like, if I am going to work out, I'll do my deep conditioner and then I start working out, so then my hair starts, like, it gets hot up there, so like it just kind of steam itself. Either way, whatever. But that's what I do to get the heat up there in my head for like an hour and 50 minutes. Sometimes I even leave it in longer if I feel like I really need it. I need a really good deep conditioner. But anyways, let's just do this really quickly. So after I wash out my deep conditioner, just in case I don't or forget to come back on here after, before, whatever. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and with my leave-in, then I'm gonna go ahead and with my smoothie. I love this smoothie so much. Like, you can tell that I have used it Like it's good. I said it with the leave-in. Like I've had these products for a while, but I can tell you that my deep conditioner, my smoothie, and my leave-in, I use it most because like my leave-in's like pretty much done. The leave-in's pretty watery, and I think the leave-in is more watery than anything else. The shampoo obviously is liquid, but like I don't know, I think the leave-in should be a bit more thicker, but I like it, whatever. And I don't know what to do to my hair after, to be honest with you, so I might just do a wash and go with my Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss, but I don't have a lot in it, so I'm thinking of like kind of mixing the As I Am curling jelly that I used before in my previous wash and go video that I've tried. Leave this in my hair for 45 minutes to an hour, maybe more than an hour, depending on how I feel, but I'll get back to you guys. Peace. Okay, so I quickly went ahead and I braided this side here, and I put in my hair smoothie. Oh, it's not even showing, but I put in my hair smoothie, I put in my leave-in, and then I did go ahead and detangle real quickly, and I already have definition, and I'm loving this. My hair feels so moisturized. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the back half, and I'm gonna come back and record when I am on to the top. Hey guys, so I am back with my finished look. This is my wash and go from my wash day, and the definition is still all there. My hair is like full of volume, bounce. As you've seen in the clip before this, I did just before I started, actually, before I went ahead and recorded, this is day, like, I did my wash day, I think Wednesday. Today is now Friday, so yeah, it's been like 2-3 days, and my hair, it still has like definition, and it still feels good. Like, it's not dry at all. I love it. This is my first time ever trying the curl jelly from As I Am and the Curl Boss coconut curling gel from Aunt Jackie's. Well, I tried it but separately, but this time I put it together, and it is actually, I don't even gotta say nothing, like, just look at my definition. But anyways, that's why I like to use good products on my hair, because then I get a good result in the end. Like my wash day, as you guys seen, I used the whole line of the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and my hair loves it, no word of a doubt. My hair felt amazing after my deep conditioner. My hair even felt amazing after just the conditioner alone. I love that line. If I was supposed to tell anybody to purchase it, hell yes, because that line is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, with any of my products, I'm not gonna, like, you know, try to, but I just want to come out here quickly, give you guys a review, show you guys my end result of my wash and go, because this is my first time actually trying these two together. But my hair loves it, no flaking. I had crunch, but because I let my hair sit in, like, in the clip before it, in the little things for so long, the crunch ended up breaking it by itself because of all the moisture in my hair. So the crunch, I have no more crunch. My hair just feels nice and fluffy. So I hope you guys like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to put on your post notifications so you are notified every single time your girl posts a nice video. Peace.